Clients hire our firm because our designs feel intentional when you walk in the space. It feels effortless, yet there are sometimes years of planning and thinking about scale and all the parts and pieces and layers that go into the final product. But for the client, it feels easy and comfortable and livable. I think the most important thing that we design for a client is, sometimes at the end of the day, it feels like it's their idea as well, but it's something aspirational to them. It's modern, it's unique to their style, but it's comfortable and it's somewhere they're proud of and they're able to make it feel like their own. My name is Lindsey Mathias. My firm is Lindsey Mathias Design, and we are located in Dallas, Texas. Today we are in the home of my clients in Telluride, Colorado, specifically Mountain Village, which is located on the ski mountain just outside of town. It's a beautiful day here. We're surrounded by beautiful aspen trees and mountains and clear bluebird skies. The initial vision for this house was clearly it's in Telluride. It's a mountain house, mountain chic, mountain modern, all the beautiful things, but it was really important to the client that it reflected their roots in Dallas, Texas, and blending those elements together. The owner of the home is actually also the builder here on this house, and we had worked together previous years in Dallas on several projects, and we have a great working relationship, so it was such a natural transition for us to work together on this project in Telluride. Having a relationship with the builder from the beginning of the project is important because the architecture of the build really informs the interiors, and being unified in our thought process and our design intentions from the get-go really makes for a seamless project overall. Hi, my name is Lindsey Mathias. Welcome to my client's home in Telluride, Colorado. So the three things that we do when we start a project are we really pay attention to the mission of the client as it relates to what the architect has done with the exterior and the vernacular of what's happening around in the surroundings, whether it be the neighborhood or just the environment around, and making sure that the exterior continues to the interior of the home. The second thing we do in design is really making sure that the client's personality is layered in, whether it be through elements that they bring from their previous life or things curated that we find and source. And the third thing that we do when designing a home is making sure all of the elements that we specify and curate for the client fit the scale of the space. It's incredibly important to us. When you first walk into the home, there is a seating area also meant to be a parlor, so truly a spot to pause and look from the entryway all the way through to the mountains. The area here is really meant to be about appreciating the exterior, looking out to the beautiful landscape, but also a landing spot for an evening cocktail, enjoy the fire. It's a great sitting area to entertain. Also, the client has so much beautiful artwork that we chose to use in this house. One of the key pieces that really reflects their personality is this beautiful yarrow print. Also where we chose to highlight it with a visual comfort sconce, which you'll see throughout the home. To the other side of the main entry at the end of the hallway is this focal point. It is a chairlift that we repurposed from the mountain. It really reflects the idea that we're on this beautiful ski mountain, and it's a little cheeky, but we think it's a great part of the design, especially adjacent to this awesome photography from an artist in Dallas, Texas. His name is Steve Rubel. The combination of those two really reinforces the initial concept of the design. And of course, above every art piece, we have another visual comfort sconce. Straight off of the entryway is the main living space. This space opens up fully to the exterior. These doors open, telescope all the way to the left and the right to appreciate the mountainscape, making the inside out continuous and effortless. This place is the landing spot at the end of the day after a long day of skiing, but also it's meant to sit comfortably all of the visitors and all of the family. I love this dining area. It's so great to it's casual, it's inviting. You can have everyone sit and enjoy, but then seamlessly transition to the living area. The fireplace is a big focal point for this living room. You see it when you come in from the entryway, but it's so grand and just a great place. Another spot to sit and just relax and enjoy the scenery. Right out of the main living space is the kitchen, and you can't see it from here, but the bar stools are on both sides intentionally of the island. And that's really it's just, all of the spaces in this home are really meant to be enjoyed by everyone at the same time. So there's stools on this side and also bar stools on the other side, as truthfully another dining space, but wake up in the morning, everyone's chaotic, getting ready for a big ski day, gather around the table, get the plan for a fun day of skiing. Also just a wonderful place to host. There's a lot of big dinners hosted, everyone's spending Thanksgiving here and everything else. So it's a wonderful spot to lay out the food and prepare the meal while everyone can be together. One of the great things about the kitchen is really being able to open the inside to the outside. We have these cantina doors that open fully to the outside from the kitchen. Now we're in one of the bedrooms of the house. This is for the littles. There's so many great elements in this space that we love. This was one of our favorite rooms to design for so many reasons. There's just so many different opportunities to layer in playful textures, including the wallpaper. Neutral, it fits the style of the house, but there's still an element of playfulness to it. On top of the beds, we have these beautiful Pendleton blankets, starting to pull the colors from the artwork without being, overly colorful. And one of my absolute favorite things about the house, but also in this room specifically, is this goggle mirror that we had custom made from a local guy in Dallas, Texas, Jason Block. We love working with him on all of our custom furniture pieces. So we are now in the ski room. This is at obviously the ground level of the home, where everyone stores their ski gear for the day. We have the boot warmer. This is a high utility space, but we also want to make it fun and beautiful. Something we felt that was really important for this space, while we wanted it to be such a cool vibe for everybody and have this really great light fixture in this space to center it, it was very important that that fixture be something that was functional in the sense of when you're taking your skis off or schlepping your skis and your poles in and out of the space, there's nothing that you're gonna knock with any of that equipment. So we selected this low profile, surface mounted Kelly Wearstler fixture from Visual Comfort. This is one of the hidden gems of the house. This is just a little pocket office that we did for the owners. Again, just another beautiful wall covering to kind of reinforce all of the fun elements, these artifacts that we hang on the wall. Such a fun note about this room. Thomas Rhett was one of the first people to stay at the house, and when he left, he did this awesome signed record for the owner. So such a special space with all of these just really cool elements. We are in one of the primary bedrooms of the house. This is my absolute favorite room. It's all about warmth in this space and mixing all the textures that, conceptually at the beginning of the project, we just wanted to nail. From the bedding to the comfortable seating by the fireplace, obviously the cowhide on the dressers, but ultimately, just back to the great decorative lighting, this beautiful iron fixture from Visual Comfort, and with these delicate lampshades, it really just feels like it brings the scale of the house down kind of to a more comfortable level. This is the primary bathroom just off of the bedroom. Such a beautiful example of how we really wanted to bring in the exterior textures of that natural rough cut stone, and layering in these beautiful Visual Comfort lighting, the sconces. It's really about that crisp, beautiful jewelry of a fixture layered on top of that natural material. I think this house reflects our design philosophy as a firm because it really responds to our core values as a design team. It's something that will stand the test of time. It was very important to us throughout the process that though it's a mountain house and though there are elements that are very tongue-in-cheek, that it still feel like it could be any other of our projects in Dallas or in New York or wherever that may be. It still reflects our very clean design aesthetic.